A man should be judged by the fruit he enables, don't you think? If Joe Biden is a real man of integrity, then why wouldn't he ever tell his son Hunter to cut out knocking up baby mama strippers on crack or refrain from creming in his dead brother's wife after the cremation ensued? Holla! Thank you very much! Resist this Shakespeare. Shakespeare said, hanging perverts prevented many a bad marriage because the San Fernando Valley didn't invent porno wood yet. To ensure jerk it off remained man's last safety rail left. Holla. Thank you very much. I'm still waiting to read about a business startup on Business Insider that provides private safe spaces for jerking off to take a load off, between, coding 15 hours a day at a time. Just so you could avoid the unfortunate reality of having security yank you out of the bathroom stall by your legs as your head crashes against the wall a couple of times before the security guard yells in his best Tom Petty crooning voice, "You don't come around here no more. Holla! Thank you very much!" Would you like to know my solution to prevent sexual harassment at work? Have everyone work remote, obviously, and don't hire Jeffrey Toobin from the New Yorker, and start every Zoom call with, for all you Toobin wannabes, keep your hands up high where I could see them. Holla! Thank you very much! My two children, my sons, I call them stud alerts on the loose. So they're obviously very good looking, and there's no way that I'm going to send them to junior high without their KISS backpacks flush with pre-poundage release forms. Holla! Thank you very much! So, me too. I read not too long ago that Harvey Weinstein's wife finally divorced him after 15 years so she could focus on her lifetime battle with amnesia. Holla! Thank you very much! I also read recently in a related study that female dragonflies play dead to avoid sexual assault from male dragonflies. Bill Cosby victims call this wishful thinking. Holla! Thank you very much! Now, this is my impersonation of hip-hop mogul Russell Simmons. Coming clean on air with Gail King. Gail, read my lisp. I didn't rape any of those vengeful, over-the-hill hoes. Holla! Thank you very much! They took down all of Louis' comedy specials on HBO, which I don't think was deserved, but you're also a scumbag if you're whipping it out in front of lesser comedians to exert your power over them when you always have Sarah Silverman's hoodie to wipe up with 2 seconds later. Holla! Thank you very much! Are they taking down the Rocky statue yet because it promotes white supremacy? Holla! Thank you very much! So I'm going to read to you, I really got to stop saying that. Perform. roasting fat vegetarians. Why are fat vegetarians so pathetic? Is it their dumpy physique, droopy eyes, or inflated sense of self-worth because they're still pastier than a formula baby under house arrest during COVID? Holla! Thank you very much! Does a meat-free diet make your complexion look a tad less oily? Yes, but fat vegetarians, not so much. Knowing their added layers of blubber weigh down any glow-filled glint to their step, especially after baby refers to mommy on her way to the shower after the Peloton ride as blubbery. Holla! Thank you very much! But how do fat vegetarians get so fat exactly? It isn't from turkey meatballs served on toothpicks from Mark Wahlberg's personal chef. So what's preventing good-intentioned vegetarians from feeling better about their humane, promoting diets, despite it making their pale, icky, round faces look like murky, grayish, shaved elephant balls? From personal experience, double IPAs inhaled in rapid succession doesn't help. Nor does frying up Beyond Meat burgers and butter whenever you want, because you're taking a break from drinking double IPAs during the work week again. Also, the over-reliance of cheese in your average fat vegetarian's diet stems from the lack of eating options at the bar, which is limited to jalapeno poppers, french fries, and French onion soup. So chances are you'll be inhaling an eggplant roll and a grandma slice from your local pizzeria far after 10 p.m., which is a big no-no in Ryan Reynolds' book. According to Men's Journal, favorite pinup to paste inside your gym locker and slam on tight year after year. An eggplant roll alone is 456 calories, which eaten after 10 p.m. slows your metabolism to a screeching halt, wiping out your combined calorie loss from your past 2 days on the Peloton, which isn't getting your body into tip-top Woody Harrelson shape on the set of Natural Born Killers either. And for the record, side note, nothing's more freaking depressingly deflating than doing a intermediate ride on the Peloton, only for your posh-sounding English instructor to make abundantly clear every other 2 seconds. I normally don't do intermediate rides ever. Just like you'll never see me using Yelp to hunt down authentic lamb shawarma through no-go zones in London town. Holla! Thank you very much! Am I sounding centrist enough for you? The Jewish View? I applied for a job for the Jewish View. It's a writer position. We'll see how centrist they are. Times of Israel claim they're a centrist too. But they didn't appreciate me calling the Blanche-killing, cold-blooded governor of New York the Italian reptilian inside either. Holla! Thank you very much! Did you know cheddar cheese possesses 7 times more fat content than a bite of chicken breast? Ryan Seacrest's daily diet of egg whites, chicken breast wraps isn't so easy to disparage with such rock-solid, self-righteous, all-knowing glee so much anymore, is it? Joy Reid. I just want to say Joy Reid. Not that she ever thinks about Ryan Seacrest. That's a humongous reason why fat vegetarians should consider giving the koshitarian diet a chance. I don't want to read the rest of this. I just want to do jokes. I would really like this job to happen at the Jewish View. Found the job on Media Bistro. They said they were looking for someone to illuminate the special Jewish spark that makes us the chosen people for a reason. Shabbat Shalom, motherfuckers. Holla! Thank you very much! They're also talking about they were looking for someone to help them define what it means to be Jewish today. So I could elaborate. If you don't have time to read the Great American Jew novel, if you make fun of babyface Omar, you're considered a radical, right-wing, conspiracist, deplorable, unemployable piece of shit that's going to die so broke his Hebrew name is under judicial review. Holla! Thank you very much! And again, how does babyface Omar, how does she celebrate the 9/11 truther? Miss something happened. How does babyface Omar acknowledge the celebration of Amy Winehouse's death, the anniversary of her death every year on Twitter? What did she tweet exactly? What did she say? Something happened to some horn hiding beehive sporting satanic spawn who exploited the great Palestinian songbook for all it's worth. Holla! Thank you very much! So, are we going to have this like dreamy mass party? Dreamy mass party? Are we going to have this Bernie mass party already? I can't wait for this fucking Bernie mass party. Bernie mass parties. Why was I mentioning Bernie mass parties? Oh, so I'm going to a wine shop, and there's this bakery in town. Everything there was great. And there was a decent line. Because they finally went COVID social distancing rules. Obviously, the people going in there are not social distancing themselves from sweets and carbs. Holla! Thank you very much! But still, this is a decent line. And I pass by it. And I do like a double take. And then I make eye contact with this one lady that was there. And I said, all of a sudden, I'm questioning the limitations for my love for my children. So much for being fucking spontaneous. And she left. Long time. Holla. Thank you very much. This is the Doodle Dad Year podcast. Dad-friendly entertainment for you and me, obviously. What Gen X dads understand. Controlling kids with comedy can make our kids great again. My 3 fuss-free kids, 98% of the time, are living proof of it. Great American Jew novel. On sale. Be a great Christmas gift. A fantastic anti-Semitic qualifier. The Jewish View. If you want to understand what it means to be a modern, patriot-loving Jew today, I recommend you checking it out, and you can thank me later, long time, all the time. I'll talk to you guys soon.